guys, it's me again, Zara Black. I'm here again with another video for you. Today I've got on myself a new Shark Ninja blender. This is the 2-in-1 blender. It comes with another smoothie making appliance as well, which I thought was quite useful, value for money, because sometimes, like, you know, if you're African like me, you know, you'll be making stew and tomatoes and pepper and here, and you don't really want to be blending in the same blender as fruits for smoothies, you know, because, you know, even though they say that it doesn't leave an odor, it might still leave an odor. So I'm just going to be reviewing this product and seeing how good it is. I love how this whole digital aspect is. Obviously, you just press on, blend, max blend, and crush, because you can do crushed ice as well. Low, medium, high. So it's quite similar to the air fryer that I have as well. So like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. This I'll probably be doing like frozen fruits in it, like smoothies with it. You can literally just pop it on, do your smoothie, and then just take this off, rinse it off, wash it off, whatever, and then take your smoothie out with you, because it comes with a lid, so you can drink it while you're on the way to the gym or whatnot, you know, out and about. So you don't have to buy an expensive juice from outside. You can just make it from home. It does do crushed ice, as you can see on the settings here. As you can see on the settings here, we have the on button. You got blend, max blend, and then for crushed ice. And obviously you can pulse it, you can do it on high, or you can do it low, medium, what have you. So that's it. Quite easy to set up. Literally just plug it in, turn it on. Let's put it on max up. Maybe don't start it without nothing inside it. But you can see how powerful this machine is. I am so looking forward to getting started with blending with this machine. It seems really, really powerful. This is 700 ml, so you're getting quite a lot with that. And the capacity for this is actually two liters. So you can get 2 liters worth of liquids in here. This unfortunately is not glass. That's the only downfall that I have with this at the moment. It might not be so much of a problem, but I was initially going for a glass blender and I couldn't find one. I couldn't find one with the Ninja, and I definitely wanted a Ninja. So this is plastic, but nevertheless, you know, it's okay. You just take it off, clip it on. Simple as that. Clip it on, take it off. If you want to release, there's a little button here. You can press release and then take off the lid. Simple as that. Put it back on. So once you have released, you can, you can take it off. Obviously to pour is very easy as well. Just take it off and pour. Simple. So let's get started with the blending. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about this machine, do let me know in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to my channel, as you might see other videos that you might like as well. If you've liked this video or it's been any kind of useful, please do give it a thumbs up. I'm so glad that I got this Shark Ninja blender, because I've recently become a Shark Ninja fan, you know, since having my air fryer. So I really am looking forward to using this. As you can see, it's all powered on now, looking very, very beautiful. It's a very generous sized jug with this. I absolutely love the countdown timer. You can just press the button and go off and do something else, and it's going to do its thing and switch off by itself. Absolutely love that. On the max blend setting, just to try the smoothie function. This horrible oat milk from Asda, and I thought I need to get rid of it because it's so disgusting. It tastes horrific. I just want to pour it down the sink. But I thought, you know what, I've got some strawberries and bananas like left in the fridge. Why don't I use some of that mixture and mix it with the oat milk, because somehow it might be more digestible, because this thing was so horrible. It was from Asda. I thought I'd try something new. It was on a good price, a good offer, and yeah, Lord, it's horrible. Stick to what you know. So I'm gonna mix it with this strawberry and banana smoothie mix that I got a while ago. I think this was from Lidl. So I've been looking at finishing that. I've just poured some in with the oat milk and pretty much filled it almost to the top so it has a bit of more space for when the fruit starts to get a bit bigger. So I've not filled it to the top, just giving it a bit of extra room. I literally just clip it onto the machine. And I just want to show you, probably should have shown you this before, but there are 3 settings on this. It's all digital. There's blend, max blend, and crush. You can do it on low, high, pulse. There's quite a few settings, but I pretty much just stick to putting it on high and max blend for most things, because if you're blending something, I just think those are just the baseline settings that you want to use for most things. So just clip that in, make sure it's clicked in properly. Give this video a thumbs up, by the way, if you're enjoying this. I'll just hit the max blend button on high. And as you can see, it's got a little countdown situation going on, which is quite helpful. If you just want to, run to the microwave or pack a bag or something in the meantime. But yeah, I think that blended quite well actually. Maybe a bit thick. Maybe I should have added a bit more of that horrible oat milk. So as you can see, it's done a kind of thick, frosty smoothie vibe. Yeah, it might be okay for some. Let me just give that a taste. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Well, you can still taste a bit of that nasty oat milk, but I mean, we didn't waste it, did we? Just asking my daughter if she wants to try some of this smoothie. I'm not quite sure about it. It's borderline. It's okay. It's palatable, but it's not the best. I don't think she wants to try it, which I'm quite surprised about because it is pink after all. She's just telling you guys that she has a YouTube channel. So if you have any little girls who want to watch unboxing videos and gaming videos, then do subscribe to her channel as well. As I make this video, she's got 102 subscribers and she's very excited about that. So you can subscribe to her channel as well. I'm just refreshing my palette with this smoothie. It's okay actually. At least we didn't waste the oat milk, right? Anyway, go out and get yourself a Ninja blender. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel as you might see other videos that might be of interest to you. Once again, I thank you so much for watching and I'll probably see you on another video. Bye bye.